Hi guys, with our new breakdown video. Since the working principles of all brand and model devices are the same, the solutions are very easy. I am waiting for your questions about all brands from the comments. In this video, we will see how to perform a hard reset process that will solve many malfunctions and errors on the device. You can write your problems about all other devices you want to get information from in the comments. Our expert staff is waiting for you to answer your questions. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. I am waiting for all your questions in the next repair process. I will answer you quickly and offer you the most suitable repair cost. I will share with you a problem that we will encounter in all our brand and model devices and its solution. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.